It's that time again. It's time to see if we can find some rare star notes or some valuable serial numbers. Hey everyone, it's Rob Finds Treasure and welcome back to the channel. We have $1,001 bills to go through today. 10 straps, each containing 100 bills, and we'll be taking a look at those serial numbers first and foremost to see if we have any fancy ones that are worth a lot of money. I have those numbers listed on my mat for your convenience. If you'd like to get one of my collectible US paper notes mat, I always have a link in the video description or a quick link to them right there. That being said, though, if you're new to bill collecting in general and don't know what to look for or just want some information about what to look for, I have a whole bunch of free and resourceful links linked down below in the video description as well. Feel free to check those out at your convenience. That being said, we got to get on with this hunt. 10 straps, like I said, 100 bills in each. I'm going to go through these off camera and I'll bring you guys back with strap recaps. We're looking for star notes, hopefully some rare ones, any bar notes, web notes, any of the fancy serial numbers listed on the mat, any older bills like silver certificates or red seals, things like that. Let's see what we can find in today's hunt. This is my lucky bank, but they have been pretty slow lately as far as giving me finds. I might have tapped it out. We'll have to see. Anyway, time to get on with the hunt. I'll bring you guys back on in with my first strap recap in just a moment. We have finished hunting strap number 1. We did get a keeper note for myself. It's a 5 of a kind, 3 5s, 5 3s in the front of the note. I do collect all the bills that have 5 of a kind in a row. So I'll definitely keeping that. Not a lot of value to a bill like that in that condition, but I hold on to them anyway. I'm trying to make sets of 1s through 9s. Been pretty tough to get all of them, but I hold on to them like I said. Then we had a series 1995 note, and as you recall, you want to check all your 88As, 93 and 95 notes. What you're looking for is what's known as a web note. A web note was an experimental printing process that they did. I have information about web notes down below, but basically you're looking for a printing plate next to "In God We Trust," not below 1. And so when you flip this around, there's the printing plate. It's in the wrong spot. We don't want it down there. We want it up there, so this one's not valuable whatsoever. First strap is down. 1 keeper note found. Moving on to strap number 2. Strap number 2 is actually a slim pickings strap. Not much to report. Still no star notes after 2 straps, but I have 3 kind of cool bills I figured I'd share. The first one is almost a nice birth year note, not a birthday note because there's really not any days in there, but 1942, had that 3 been a 0, and this bill in pretty nice shape. I probably would have kept it, but probably not one I'm going to keep, even though it's in pretty nice shape and has a 1942 in front. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys would keep a bill like that. It's only $1 as well. The second bill right here is almost a binary. 815-18818. Had that 5 been a 1 or an 8, would have kept it. Would have been a nice binary. It's actually a trinary note, which is somewhat collectible, but it has ink on it from the bank stamp, so not something I'm going to keep. And then finally, it's a nice, almost crisp, uncirculated. Yeah, it has a slight fold there, but that's a pretty nice 2003 bill. Just thought I'd share it with you. It's the oldest one I've seen so far other than 95, but definitely in pretty nice shape. I'll be sending it back, though. Like I said, slim pickings in strap number 2, but we've got 8 more straps to go, and hopefully we can find a star note in strap number 3. Strap number 3 was a bust, and I'm starting to think maybe some of these straps have been searched through because typically I get them all out of order, and all these straps so far have had all the bills righted and straight and front and center, so they might have been looked at already, but you never know. We got to keep hunting. Come on, strap number 4. Get us on the board for star notes. Strap number 4, still no star notes, but whoever went through the bills did miss a birthday note. 1957. February 22nd. We'll take it. It's only our second good find of the hunt so far. And like I said, no star notes. Let's see if they missed something in strap number 5. Strap number 5 finally gave us our first star note right here. 2017A. It's in trashy shape, but as a quick reminder, I plug all the star notes into the star note lookup site that I have listed down below at the end of the video. We'll see if we have any rare ones, although I'm pretty sure that's not a rare one. Then we had another 1995 bill, but I flipped it around. Printing plate number is below 1, not above. So that one's not another web note. Striking out on those. And then we had a close call to a great note. 60206002. Had that 2 been right here instead of right there, it would have been a nice repeater note, 6002, 6002. It is a trinary note. It's kind of fancy, but it's pretty trashy, so I'm not going to keep it. We'll be sending that back. Finally got a star note through 5 straps. Rough start. See if the second 5 straps does much better. Unfortunately, strap number 6 was another skunk strap, and just as an FYI, I forgot. I pulled out both of the 1995 notes. I do collect those. For some reason, I forgot because it's been such a tough hunt so far. 6 straps down, kind of slim pickings. Come on, strap number 7. Well, strap number 7 was the best strap of the hunt so far. It gave us our second star note, 2013 L Series. We'll take that. It also gave us a nice repeater note, 5282, 5282. A repeater note means the first 4 numbers repeat for the second 4 numbers, and that's a truly fancy serial number. The value of something like this is probably in that $10 to $20 range, depending on which collector wants it. If it was crisp, it'd be worth a lot more, but I'll take it. It's a true fancy serial number. Good to see. And then almost another great bill. Had that last digit been a 5 or a 6, would have been a fantastic looking binary note with 5s and 6s. It's a close call, not a keeper. I'll be sending it back, but 2 good keeper notes. Maybe it's heating up. Let's see how strap 8 does for us. Strap number 8, another skunker. Man, and these bills are righted again. And when they're righted, typically, that means they might have been searched. Oh well, we'll keep hunting. See what strap number 9 has for us. Unfortunately, strap number 9, still no finds, just a couple to share here. We got another close call. It's a trinary. Needed that 3 to be a 4 or 0. 0434, 4000. Can't keep it. And another 1995 note. Unfortunately, another one that's not a web note, but like I do, I'll keep it again. We are down to the last strap of the hunt. Could be my toughest star note hunt ever, although we've got a few fancies. Let's see if we have any more finds in the final strap of this 10-strap hunt. Well, we pretty much ended like we started. Another skunk strap, and that was the last strap of this hunt, and it was a tough one. Holy cow. We did get 3 fancy serial numbers, a bill that started with a bunch of 3s, a birthday note, 1957-02-22, and a nice repeater, 5282, 5282. 395 notes. I only keep them because they're older, they're not in great shape, and they're not web notes, and only 2 star notes to plug into the star note lookup site. Let me do that really quick. I don't think they're going to be rare at all, but let me just double check, and I'll come back with some final thoughts on this tough 10-strap bill hunt. All right, I've plugged both bills into the star note lookup site. None of them are rare. Bills like this are worth $2 or $3 a piece, so I'll definitely keep them. And yeah, that was a tough hunt. You know what? These bills kind of saved the hunt. I love finding those. We got a good birthday note, and we got a good repeater. But outside of that, that's tough. It looks like it's time to go ahead and try a different bank. Either the tellers there that I've educated know what to look for now, or I've already had and tapped out that branch as far as star notes and other good finds. I'll find a different bank for the next 10-strap bill hunt. But in the meantime, we'll keep hunting, we'll keep on looking, and hopefully one of these days we'll be finding. I know it was a tough 10-strap bill hunt, and I know these aren't your favorite videos to watch, but I appreciate those that did watch it, and hopefully you still had fun learning along the way with me. If you did, I sure would appreciate that thumbs up. And as always, everyone, happy hunting, and thanks for watching.